Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Good morning, students. How are you? Today, I'm going to start class 9 computer. So let's begin from that second chapter, and the chapter name is Input, Output and Storage Devices. So as you see on the screen, there are the different types of devices like CPU, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, web camera, printer, etc. So these all are related to input, output and storage device. So first topic is your input devices. So that the question is arrived, what is input devices? In computing, an input is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or information appliance. Examples: input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital cameras, joystick and microphone. So here I have mentioned the few list of the input devices. So you can see first is keyboard, and the second is your mouse, and third is your light pen, fourth is your optical magnetic scanner, and fifth is touch screen, and sixth is microphone for voice, and number 7 is trackball, number 8 is joystick, number 9 is camera, and number 10 is webcam. So in the besides of this, you can see that a few figures with their names. So these all are input devices. So next is your output devices. So output devices, so you can see here the few devices related to output. So that question is that what is output device? So an output device is an piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, tactile, audio and video. Some of input devices are visual display, like that visual display. It's a short form. The short form of that VDU. So data, monitor, printer, graphic, output devices, toters, speaker, etc. So a computer monitor, I am here giving the one example about that, the monitor, which is output device of the computer. A computer monitor is an output device that display information in pictorial form. A monitor usually comprises the visual display, circuitry, casing and power supply. Originally, computer monitors were used to data processing, while television sets were used for entertainment. So the next is your storage devices. So storage devices too means some devices which stores our data. So here I have shown the definitions. So let's read that. A storage device is any computing hardware that is used for storing, coding and extracting data files and objects. It can hold and store information both temporarily and permanently, and can be internal or external to a computer, server or any similar computing device. So you can see the few pictures of the storage memory devices. So means to say here the few names like that: hard disk, RAM, ROM, CD or DVD, floppy, memory card, pen drive. So there are the few. These are the storage. Yeah, you can see all the memory devices. So I will take the examples of that. The few like that pen drive. Yeah, you can say as a flash drive. A flash drive stores data using flash memory. Flash memory use an electrically erasable, programmable, read-only format to store and retrieve data. Flash drives operates in a similar fashion as conventional hard drives. Flash drives are non-volatile, which means they do not need a battery backup. Next is RAM or random access memory. It's a type of computer data stored and stores the files that are in use while computer is running. These files may include various programs such as operating system, etc. RAM allows for faster access to files as compared to other files of data storage. Now after that, the next is keyboard. As you know that about that keyboard, so first question is arise. What is keyboard? A keyboard is a peripheral device that enables a user to input text into a computer or any other electronic machinery. This device's pattern after is the predecessor, the typewriters from which the keyboard inherited its layout, although the keys or letters are arranged to function as electronic switches. So dear students, the beside of the explanation, so you can see the keyboard figure. So as you know that the keyboard has a combination of the alphabetical and numerical keys. So as you know that on the top you can see on the screen there the F1, F2 and F3. So these are the function keys, and then after if you will see that the print and the score log and the post break, so these are the special keys, and just over there you can see these are the keys which contain the numeric. So these are, you can see the numeric keypad, and there is the 4 directions key, you can say them arrow keys, and the few and the long button you can see on the keyboard. This is the space bar key. So in this way, so there are the many types of the keys, the which work has the different works during that input data. So next is your mouse. So the what is the mouse? Computer mouse is also an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse button, that is called clicking. So the function of the mouse. A computer mouse enables its user to move a cursor smoothly and intuitively across a two-dimensional plane. It's therefore an essential input device for selecting